We're going to go ahead and turn off light mode on your phone to make everything darker. The first step you want to do is tap and hold anywhere on the home screen till the apps are jiggling, and then tap on Edit. Now tap Customize, and here in the bottom we can choose Dark. This makes all the apps dark. And you can tap on this little sun here. You'll see the background lighten and darken as I do that, so choose the lighter or darker option for that. And then we want to also change all the menus to be dark as well. That we do in the settings. So go into the settings, go all the way back out to the main settings list, scroll down to display and brightness, and then tap on dark. And now everything is dark. This is great for nighttime. You can also have this be automatically set, so the settings menus will go light and dark depending on when your phone decides dark mode should be on or off. You can also tap on here and set your own custom schedule, or you can just go sunrise to sunset. Since it's currently during the day, it wants to go light mode for me, so if you want to force it, just turn off automatic, and it's going to be dark mode forever. And if you have it set on a schedule, the apps will not change light and dark, because that's the separate customization we saw earlier in this video. So you got to set both of those things to truly turn off light mode and turn on dark mode. And while you're in the mood for customizing your phone, you should probably watch this video that shows you how to create a custom ringtone out of your favorite song. It's free, no computer required. You can do it all on your phone, so check that out. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.